information of everyone for our fiesta calendar. July 4 will be the search for Ginang May Panggan. July 5 is going to be Got Talent. July 14 is going to be Miss Gay. And July 16 is going to be My Panggan's Youth Night. Please take note. Please take note of that. Alright, there we have it, our 8 lovely candidates. Dito muna tayo may number kasi kung ano siyang stressed ang kanyang bangs. Kung kayo tagating bangs. You're welcome, God. Candidate number 8. Ano ang iyong trabaho at paano ang binubuhay ang iyong mga anak?
I have a subject, it's so organized, and my kids are already maturing up to be working, so I have to spend my own money.
Well, congratulations to candidate number 8. Candidate number 6, who is your handler? You look dazzling tonight. Yeah. Come again, sir? Team. Your handler is Philippine Team Yape. How about you, candidate number 7? Diin kayo ngayong long gown. Dirin niyo mantil.
Ako nito ni Cortina, ako naging tanggal.
Wow, so resourceful naman ni candidate number 7. How about you, candidate number 5? Ba't parang tipo mo ngayon? 18 ka pa lang ba? Ay, fresh, young, and virgin. 2 minutes ago. Hi, candidate number 4. Ang aura mo ngayon ay mukha kang susugod ng kabit. Diba? Hino Team Hunter, hino nag-ayos sa iyo, hino nagmani-manigaw. Miss Aviona, so for information of everyone, kung karemi yung naman niya ginagaw, please contact Miss Aviona all the way from Albay, Leyte. Candidate number 3, diin ka na puno gawas. Aray dalaki, pinababalik ka na ni Emre. Hino nag-ayos sa iyo, hino nagwa ng bago, aning buhok, nagdudugon.
Anong barkada?
Anhin o nga barkaan niya yan na? Hindi yan.
Alep, backstage.
Wow! May ayaw ni candidate number 3, supportive barkada. Ay! Candidate number 2, mukhang balik ka lang nasalihan. Candidate number 2, kapatid mo ba si Dora? Patod?
Opo.
Kayo pala, no wonder. Candidate number 2. Kaano-ano mo si Marimar?
Lola.
Candidate number 2, hino nag-ayos na. Hindi nga yung pink nga below the nina gown.
Sama ko po.
Ay, wow! We have a stage mom! So, very supportive ang asawa ni candidate number 2. Gaano ba supportive in Mrs.?
Sobra po.
Ay. Mrs. Good luck, mama niya. Hi, candidate number 1. Di ba? Kaparehas si Team Lawas, Team number 1. Candidate number 1. Hino nag-ayos ay ungod ba in?
Idiya.
Hino man nag-ayos ay manibukos na look yan na.
Friendly kapitbahay.
Hino ang friendly kapitbahay. Ang ngaran.
Baby, apang.
Oh, shout out to Miss Bibi Abable for making candidate number 1 look so gorgeous tonight. Candidate number 1, araw yung kasabihan na may bibili mga taga-barangay may pangyan.
Nakasabihan, aanin mo ba ang kabayo kung wala ka namang damo?
Agara, hindi nagkabayo di ikaw. Ako kasi may nagkabayo. Alright, do we have the results for the awards? Best in Sportswear is candidate number. We would like to thank our principal sponsors and our organizing committee. Alright, our best in sportswear is candidate number. Congratulations, candidate number 7. Please step forward and to pin the sash, may we call on Mr. Sherwin Arvillado and Ms. Hazel C. Gestor. A round of applause for candidate number 7, Best in Sportswear. Candidate number 7 will receive a sash and a cash prize.